Hello, I am Mohammad Umar Nawaz. I love teaching mathematics. I have completed my bachelor's degree from University of Sargodha in mathematics, and currently I am doing MPhil mathematics from Government College University, Faisalabad, Pakistan. My teaching philosophy is to make fun, engaging, and relevant to real life situations. I use variety of techniques and methods such as videos, quizzes, and worksheets to help students learn and practice math skills. I also provide personalized feedback to help students overcome their challenges and achieve goals. Whether you need help with algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, statistics, or any other math topic, I am here to help you succeed. If you are interested in learning with me, contact me and let me know your availability, level, and objectives. I look forward to hearing from you and working with you soon. Thank you.